congratulations today on the launch of just inaugurated what do you have to say? First of all, thank you so much for everything. And it's a pleasure Jackie Dada came and inaugurated this place. And Ruwa has always been a dream. Being from aviation industry, roaming around the world, I have seen how hospitality and grooming yourself is so important. So I'm very happy Ruwa is here.
Okay, so ma'am, what is your vision? कैसे ये idea है सबसे बड़ा?
So this was the idea was long back, but the execution was from last 6 months. I was thinking, I was planning how I will do it, what I wanted. I want this place to be amazing, beautiful, and I want to give an experience.
Okay, so what is the USP of Ruwa?
So Ruwa means vision, dream, and the USP is experience. I'm 100% sure that whoever comes here will get a beautiful experience, not just the service, but my team, my staff, and all the experiences that you will just see once it's open.
Okay, ma'am, it was a very special day that Jackie sir had come here. He's known as a child icon. What would you like to say?
I think Jackie Dada is a favorite of all age category. Everybody just loves him, and he coming here is amazing. And I'm sure that people would just come and feel happy about it. Now, Vishal also joining in. Vishal, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
What do you have to say about it?
So what we have tried to curate here is a one-stop shop for all kind of beauty services. What we have done is we have added some X factors into our salon. For example, this waiting area is more of a small cafe that we have turned into. Even if you're waiting, the wait should be interesting. So we have some tie up with the restaurant if you're hungry while sitting. So you guys can snack in a bit, have few beverages. So we have done small a lot of things to what Unti just mentioned, to create an experience for you. It is just not another salon where you come, get your service and walk off. So we want you to feel that you are going to a very premium place, feel the experience, relax yourself, and go unwinding yourself. So that's the whole idea.
So thank you so much for
Thank you very much for coming.
इन्होंने एक सपना देखा था और वो सपना इन्होंने साकार किया और ऐसे क्योंकि सलोन इतने करीब है नहीं, मेरे घर के बहुत करीब है ये, वो मेरे लिए बहुत फायदेमंद हो जाएगा आगे चल के. Just a walking distance from my house, and I give a best wishes to both of them. And एक सपना होता है यंगस्टर्स के लिए इतना बढ़िया सलोन का उन्होंने आज साकार किया है. My best wishes for both of them for their future life also. ये काफी टाइम से ड्यूटी में नहीं है, जैसा पता चला है पुरानी मित्र हमारी तो एयर हॉस्टेस नहीं है, पायलट रहे हैं. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसे और भी वेंचर्स ये खोलें ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया. तो ये कहूँगा मुंबई छोड़ के अक्रॉस इंडिया करेंगे. मेरी बेस्ट विशेष है. थैंक यू सो मच. बात हुई व्यक्ति को क्या
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जैसे सर ने बताया, सर के घर के पास है. मतलब अभी सर का टेंशन गया कि कहाँ जाए, ट्रैफिक में घूमना नहीं पड़ेगा. And I'm very happy that sir came. It's my pleasure that sir is here. And as I told you, our vision, our dream, our USP is to give an experience, and that's what we will deliver.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.
Firstly, a big congratulations that they have started this, and this is the first time as a. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the first time ऐसा हुआ है that I have not come dressed up for an event. I'm going dressed up from the event because I got a quick hair makeover. So it's really cool, and it actually took just 15 minutes. So now I know where to go when I'm going for my next event. But a big congratulations. It's very exciting. And the best part about this salon for me was the fact that the location is so nicely picked because it's a quaint jagah pe. It's not too noisy. You can take your time, park your car. So yeah, kudos. Thank you.
What would you like to say?
I love this place. The ambience of Rua is it's like a place where, it's like a second home. It's got a very warm ambience, very inviting and welcoming and very cozy. And what I loved was at the pedicure or manicure station, you have your own personal screen so you can watch your, series or music or whatever. And I got this very instant makeover. These curls, I had come with straight hair, so I'm like, I'm loving this makeover. Thank you so much, Team Rua. I love it, and I will be a regular here for sure.
Oh, I think the moment I entered, I really loved the vibe, and I want to congratulate the team because this place looks absolutely welcoming, and I think all the services are going to be phenomenal. So I'm looking forward to coming back and getting something done. Yes. Want me to sing something? Oh, कौन सा गाना इस यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्या सूट होगा. मुबारक तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए, किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए. Congratulations. I think there was a silence in you.
Definitely बोलना चाहूंगी कि this is such a wonderful place, beautiful location, and the atmosphere, everything is so beautiful, and especially the spa which I've seen. Definitely, I'll be coming here because I'm into fitness, so I love to take massages. I love to pamper myself, and there are so many things are here. There are nail spa, massages, body wrap, everything. So definitely, I'll be here and looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, it's very, to be honest, positive and much more vibrant, and definitely I believe in the vision of Unnati, and Vishal has done a beautiful job with this, and wishing them all the luck, and we're always here, and yeah, I'm definitely going to get a haircut soon, so definitely I'm going to call Vishal. And
We were forcing him not to have a haircut for 3 months.
no,
I
yeah,
said, your next cut is here.
yeah,
Yes.
absolutely, 100%. No, for sure, for sure, for sure.
Yeah.
No, for sure.
Thank you. I think I think that's a combination of two events together put together. So congratulations to Rua for this wonderful ambience. I think बहुत ही शानदार ambience है और एक होता है कि सलून जाने के मतलब सलून जैसे आप पहुंचते हो वहाँ का ambience बहुत मैटर करता है and the warm and compassionate staff and the organizers, please come. And the host and the owners, congratulations for putting up this salon, and I wish you all loads and loads of success. And well, मैं तो कभी अपने आप को पैम्पर नहीं किया, पर क्योंकि आज मेरा बर्थडे है तो इससे और सोने पे सुहागा वाला मोमेंट क्या हो सकता है, मैं जाकर अंदर अपने आप को पैम्पर करने की कोशिश करूंगा. So thank you guys for inviting me and having me. All the very best.
Thank you very much.
Thank
and
you.
happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Parul.
Hi guys.
Ready, roll.
So मेरे beautiful hair करने के लिए रुआ and उनकी congratulations. बहुत अच्छे मेरे hair किए, color hair पे curls, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Arun?
How is the experience at Rua today?
First of all, I was given to understand by Unnati that Rua means dream. And this is a place which I actually feel where your dream of transforming yourself into a more confident, a better looking person will come true. What's special about the place, which must be mentioned, is that they have given Unnati and Vishal, both of them, very specific attention to details. Like for example, I just did I took a shower, I mean a hair shower, hair spa, yeah, and the multi-nozzle shower.
The Korean hair spa.
The Korean hair spa, yeah, is something that I haven't seen in the rest of the service. So the recliner sofa which they use during the spa treatment is also one of those multiple things, very small little details. Like they say, luxury is in the detail. So I wish them all the best. This is a beautiful initiative. They come from a hospitality background, reflecting in the way they've gone about this venture. So all the best, Unnati. All the best, Rua. God bless. Wish them a great journey. Thank you.
I love the place. I basically knew it's going to be a wonderful place. I know Vishal, I know Unnati, these people have wonderful taste. So, needless to say, the place had to be, the interior has to be there, had to be par excellence. So, that's how the place is all about. And the vibe is phenomenal. It's amazing. उधर अंदर जो मसाज का भी है, जो स्टीम का भी है, the facial and everything which is kind of there. So all the therapies are there. Person comes here, get a haircut done, and then probably wherever you have to go. You know, it's like a complete package, right? That's what it's supposed to be.
Yes.
You know, आप आओ, haircut कराओ, and then get a massage done, get a facial done, and probably you're off to your work. So I would say it's a nice place. It's a lovely endeavor, and we need a place like this जहाँ एक ही बार आके everything is done, and so it caters to our needs. Thank you.
I just had a shampoo and dua for बहुत सारी dua. All the best to them. Thank you. It was a lovely experience. The beauticians were very good and they took a lot of care of me. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best, dua.
Thank you so much. First of all, I have to say thank you to the salon called Dua, and I have to give best wishes to both the couple. Sorry? उन्नति and विशाल. एक नई जर्नी आपने शुरू की है. एक फर्स्ट सेटअप करने के लिए कितनी तैयारी मेंटली करनी पड़ती है, हम जानते हैं इस बात को. और एक छोटा बेबी के लिए जो प्रिपरेशन होती है, ऑलमोस्ट ऐसा ही प्रिपरेशन होता है. आई एम विशिंग देम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. और अगली बार मैं आना चाहूंगी बांद्रा, फिर जुहू के बाद फिर अंधेरी. तो हमारे सारे मुंबई में रुआ की रोशनी घूमती रहे और हम हर बार इनके इनोग्रेशन में आते रहे. हर हर महादेव. Salon. It's about vibes. I think beauty is all about vibes. Once you get the right vibes, you anyway start feeling good about yourself. और खूबसूरती जो है वो हमेशा से ही औरत का गहना रही है. तो जो भी खूबसूरती में इजाफा करते हैं वो लोग मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And one of your stars, Prashant, did a wonderful job on my hair. So I'm very happy about it. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you
Good
so
luck.
much and we hope you come again soon.
I
and we'll stand for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good luck.
Thank you.
See, right now beauty business is first of all very competitive. और अभी क्या है ना, अभी ये luxury नहीं है, अभी ये need हो गया है. So it is very important to everybody understand कि beauty has now become a need, not just a luxury. And I'm happy that everybody is looking after themselves, because ये खाली अभी vanity नहीं है, ये actually एक होता है for especially women. It is more of self confidence. You look good, you feel good, and especially you can ask any woman here, okay? When their hair is done, they'll feel more confident. You can ask my mother that also. How I don't know. So today she's telling me, how will I come to an event? मेरा बाल नहीं ठीक है, but आप बाल बनाने के लिए आ रहे हो. So I said, just come, do your hair here, and then she'll flaunt like this, and then we walk.
Honestly, can't do without my hair. The beauty, bond with Sarah, and of course, beauty regime overall. I think I'm totally blessed and gratitude for all this.
So you know what? I think one important thing that we've always followed in the family in terms of beauty, कि आप जितना आप बाहर से अपने आप को ठीक करो ना, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है जब आप दिल से खुश नहीं हो. तो आप जितना भी करो, आपका मन थोड़ा साफ नहीं होगा और आप दिल से खुश नहीं होगे, वो बाहर दिखता है. इसीलिए तो my husband, he reads faces. You know how he reads faces? Through eyes. He comes to know कि आंखों से कि how the person is. आंखें सब बोलती है.
Thank you so much. And,
Thank you.